Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make a veggie wrap, and we're going to be putting the wrap in the air fryer oven. A veggie wrap. So what we have is some purple cabbage, some glazed carrots. I boiled the carrots and put some cinnamon on them and some little honey and some garlic. And then we have the purple onions and broccoli sprouts. Okay, so let's get our wrap in order. Let's make the wrap. Okay, check out the links below. If that's something that interests you, please check it out, and I appreciate your support. This is for the support of this channel. And also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And this is for all you veggie guys out there. This is for you. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm using a multi-grain tortillas wrap. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Here's the wheat tortillas wrap. So as you can see here, I got some honey poppy seed that I'm going to put on it, okay? And it's organic. Okay, so let's do it. And the reason why I'm putting this on, because you want to have something on the bread so it's not dry. And I think the honey poppy seed will bring something to the table, because I'm using cabbage and onions, and so they're not really sweet or kind of on the bitter side, but very nutritional. Okay, so you see I put the honey poppy seed on. I'm just going to spread it over. Okay, now I've done that, let's start compiling our components. Okay, we're going to put some purple cabbage. You're going to put the vegetables right on one end so that you can roll it. Don't put it over the whole thing, else you can't roll it. Okay, that's the cabbage, and make sure you leave the edges clear because you have to fold it in. The purple onions. Okay, and then I got my carrots. And my broccoli sprouts. This is the broccoli sprouts. Let me show you everything. This is the broccoli sprouts. Looks like this. It's much more nutritional than the broccoli itself. This is the purple onions we're using. Purple cabbage. Glazed carrots that I already told you how I glazed. Okay, those are our components. So now that I have my wrap compiled, let me wrap it. So you're going to fold up from the bottom. I think I want some more cabbage in here and carrots. Okay, so let me show you that. That's what we're looking like. So you can see the honey poppy sauce right there, and this is all the vegetables. Okay? Okay. So now we're gonna fold up from the bottom, push in the edges so that it's sort of like you're making a pocket, closing a pocket up. And then you're gonna roll it, pushing in at the bottom, so you keep pushing stuff in. Tuck in these sides. Okay. That's how our wrap looks. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna put that in the air fryer. I'm going to do a few more so that I cook them all at one time. Okay, so I put my honey poppy seed sauce on. I'm going to compile now. I got my purple cabbage. And my carrots. Some onions. Brussels sprouts. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Another view. Alright, so now we're going to fold up from the bottom, pushing everything towards me. Fold that over. Bring in the sides. Hold them sides in as you roll. Holding them in. Making it tight. Roll right over to the edge. Okay. That's how we're looking. My side came out over here, but that's okay. Gonna put this one in. I think I can fit one more. We go again with our sauce. Gonna spread the sauce. Okay, let's start compiling. I have my purple cabbage. I want you to notice how I have my ends free. Nothing on the ends, okay? Then we have our carrots, glazed carrots. And let's put some onions on there. Some Brussels sprouts. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so we're gonna fold up from the bottom. Pushing everything back to me. Tuck in the sides. You might have to push the food over some to make sure your sides get tucked in. And remember, wheat bread is a little more stiff to work with rather than the wheat wrap, rather than the floured wrap. Okay, that's how we're looking. I'm going to put that in the air fryer, and now we're going to set off the air fryer. Okay, so let's hit time. Let's go 400 because this is something that's quick. And let's go for 3 minutes. I think that's plenty. And start. Okay. Now, we're going to do the wraps without the air fryer. Okay? Same process, just we're not going to air fry it. Okay, so I put on the poppy seed, honey poppy seed. Same process. Carrots, some onions, some Brussels sprouts. Okay, that's how we're looking. Another view. Okay, so we're going to fold up from the bottom, pushing everything to me. Tucking in the sides. If you don't put a lot, you'll have less trouble folding it over. Okay. So this is one that is not going in the air fryer. So you see how that looks? Okay, so I'm gonna cut that, let you see the middle. That's what it looks like inside. Okay, let me get a thumbnail for this. Veggie wrap thumbnail. All right, that's pretty, isn't it? Okay, give me a second. Okay, so our veggie wraps are done that we put in the air fryer. Okay, so the tortilla, it's this wheat tortilla, right? So it feels toasted. Let me put it that way. So I'm going to take a cut, see how it looks. How about that? Huh? Okay. So I have shown you how to make the wraps in 2 ways, okay? I hope you try yours and let me know how it turns out, okay? And remember, you can put anything in your wrap. You don't have to put what I put. You can, you know, I don't know, maybe you like beans or something of that nature, okay? Alright, so go for it, alright? Until next time, love you, talk to you soon. Bye. Thumbs up.